Introduce highlight features or overview summary of PGYIOO, Dashcam front and rear, 4K plus 2.5K Ultra HD dash camera. There are key features include 4K Ultra HD 2160p car camera. The front camera supports up to 4K, 3840 x 2160 resolution, delivering cinematic smooth 4K image quality that makes reading license plates a breeze, day or night. 335 degrees wide-angle dual recording and G sensor. To better reduce blind spots, it has a front wide angle of 175 degrees and a waterproof back wide angle of 160 degrees. This can give you a greater view, help you better prevent unexpected situations from occurring. When a collision is detected, the built-in G sensor instantly locks and saves video, ensuring you don't lose any critical evidence you might need. Effortless Wi-Fi and Smart App Control. You just need to connect the dashcam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi, and then you can use the app to view, playback, and manage the dashcam on your iOS or Android devices. You can even download the video and share it with your friends and family, or upload it to social media. Superior night vision. The dashcam features a f2.0 aperture, the industry's largest image sensor, and HDR, WDR technology for better color accuracy and clarity. Even at night it can clearly capture small details such as night driving and license plates. 24 hours parking mode and USB read. This dashcams will auto-switch to parking mode while your car is parked. If your vehicle is involved in a hit while parked, or someone attempts to steal your vehicle, this dashcam will provide around-the-clock protection. We also provide a 32 GB SD card. To consumers, more cost-effective is our biggest pursuit. 24-hour parking monitoring requires a separate purchase of the Type-C hardwire kit. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.